This is the end of an era. This was the last Erin Condren planner that you will see in this little series of mine because I only did 6 months in it and then I switched to my ring planner, but it was because the format just wasn't working for me then, and I just didn't feel like continually using a planner that didn't work for me and trying to make it work just for the sake of it. So basically this is, I don't know. I never know what year these are. I need to make year stickers to put on these because I literally have no clue. I'm just going to leave them in the pile until I do. 2019. That's a good way of finding out. So let's go ahead and flip through this one. It's only 6 months. It's because, in my head, I always had to use the planner July through June or whatever because that was when the new planner came out and you could get it, and then I would cut out the last 6 months. So I always basically had that style planner, and at the time it seemed smart because I was making stickers. I wanted the newest thing. But looking back on it, I really wish I would have just got it together and just used January through December because I feel like now I'm like, I don't even know what I'm looking at realistically because I've covered everything up, and they're also like, most of them are July through December, so they're 2 years, so it's a whole thing. So this I think was from Jasenia, and this says, trust in the life it has heart to, which I thought was cute for this year. And then I have like a pass holder sticker, other stickers, me and Bree, I love her, talentless, I love that. More Jasenia stuff over here too. So this was 4th of July. I think I recolored this one. I think it might have been darker because I think that looks like it was recolored by me. But this is with Sparkly Hollow. So this is just your 4th of July spread. I thought it was really cute. I don't think anything crazy happened. I want to Wreck-It Ralph. That's pretty fun. Then this was like a honeymoon set. Actually, I don't even know. I don't think I even did a plan with me on my honeymoon now that I went through these spreads. So my honeymoon was like a wreck. This is what the Hawaii week with me, Marg, and Kane. This was so fun. Basically, there was no direct flights at that point to Hawaii. Now we do have them. I met Erin Condren because she was on my flight from Austin to LAX. And then I was on vacation. We had breakfast. We just chillaxed. The PV Weeks was a thing then. We had dinner and just did all the things. I'm pretty sure I did a plan with me on this when it happened. This is just a really pretty like purple spread. It was like the end of that trip. I think Kane left, I don't know when, but I'm pretty sure it was just me and Mark for a couple of these days. And then I got home and I put Baby Shark Live in, but I don't think we went to that. I think we were supposed to go. I think Amanda drove me home because this thanks Amanda. But I think we were supposed to go, but I was just like too overstimulated to be able to function. This was Kinish Jazz art, which is super cute. I love these colors. I think it was meant to be like a back to school, but could also be interpreted as like office, if I remember correctly. This is when Bennett fell in love with the iPad, which was really nice because prior to that, there was nothing that distracted him. It was needed to be played with all the time and attention all the time. But yeah, Jane and Chernobyl. I loved Chernobyl, the series. It was like a mini series on HBO, right? Then this was a planner party spread, which I didn't actually know, but I was pregnant then, and I was very, very tired, and I feel like I needed a lot of help. I don't know, like, why, like, I didn't know why, like, I was so tired, but I was actually pregnant at this point. But I didn't find out until here, which is wild. Like, I was pregnant that entire time. But we tried for Theo for a very long time, and it was very, very stressful, and that's a lot of the reasons why I was very sad the years prior, so lots of things. But I was very stressed about being pregnant with Theo. I canceled my Disney trip. I don't remember why. I was just like I don't know what happened. Oh, the hotel for the planner party was like kind of screwed me. And I ended up having to pay thousands of dollars because they let people cancel their hotels even though there was like a no cancellation policy by them, and then didn't tell me that there was more rooms open. So I didn't fill my room block, even though I did fill my room block, but then people canceled last minute because there was a huge storm. And then I ended up having to pay thousands of dollars for it. So that was really, really annoying. And I was really stressed and upset about it because obviously it was like thousands of dollars that I had to pay for basically no reason. And they like, I don't know. I just felt screwed by the hotel, and I will never stay at that hotel ever again. And yeah, it was horrible. And the only reason I ended up only having to pay about half of it because Amanda helped me, like kind of talk to them through it, but they were still like actually the worst. So I canceled Disney because I was just so sad about it. But then I found out the next day I was pregnant. So kind of the mood switched to not worrying about it. Not worrying about that and then worrying about this because, you know, it's just sometimes you put it in perspective, like, yeah, it sucks, but also, like, what am I going to do about it? But it was Haunted Mansion's 50th anniversary, which I thought worked out good then because it was Disney, and I like having Disney things for, like, special weeks. And also Theo's name, like, there's a Theodore. It's Uncle Theodore in the Haunted Mansion, so I think that's cool, too. Happy birthday. Whose birthday? I don't know. That's why I think I need to write it down. 50th anniversary, dinner with Amanda, in my feelings, because I was just worried. I had a blood draw this day. Did I have another blood draw? I thought I did. Yeah, another blood draw this day. But yeah, this is a really pretty spread. I was just kind of stressed out, and I thought this like was kind of serene and kind of went with like my mood. I was just frustrated and had a good cry. I was just very stressed out. And then this spread is I was 5 weeks pregnant, and yeah, I don't really think I had like more blood work. Nothing really wild. And then I used this kit here, which was exclusive art. This was also exclusive art. I think this was a mystery. I love this so much. So pretty. So like everything was good. It was 6 weeks. I felt like more stable in that. Sigh of relief. But yeah, nothing wild. Dark Crystal. I think we went to see the Dark Crystal. Or we were watching the Dark Crystal. That is when I was watching it, and I didn't finish it until like last month, y'all. Because Nick just has been stringing me along this entire time. I had an ultrasound this day, which I was really, really happy about. I was so sick. I was not feeling good. It was very short-lived, though, because Theo's pregnancy was very good. I almost felt after the sickness that I wasn't even pregnant. So, in this day, I babysat Avery and Reagan and cuddled Reagan. This was super cute. Spread the Nightmare Before Christmas one. I was a little bit sick. It was starting to kind of wean off already, though. With Bennett, I was super sick for, like, super long. But Theo, like I said, it wasn't too bad. This week, I was 9 weeks pregnant. Nick had a headache. I had a bad headache. Bennett was not sleeping well. We went to Dip and had ice cream afterwards. Watched Hustlers, had Velvet Taco. And then I thought I felt something this day at 9 weeks. Like a little thing. And I think I actually... Wait. It's a girl? Oh, that's not for me. Right? It's a girl? Who's a girl? I don't know. Oh. I think it was for Denver. So Brie and Bruce were pregnant at the same time. So basically I went... So this is fun. I don't know why I used this kit. Oh. This was Brie and Bruce's gender reveal party, and they love football. So I used this kit, and their theme was kind of like football adjacent, and it was cool because I didn't even know the like sex of the baby until, and I thought I was team blue. And they didn't let me, they wanted me to like be there like in the surprise moment, but somebody else knew, so they filled this football filled with powder, and whenever they kicked it and it was pink, like everyone freaked out. So it was a girl, and I actually told Brie and Bruce that I was pregnant this night, which was very early, in my opinion, for me at 10 weeks. Usually I wait till 12 weeks, but I think I told Kirsten because I couldn't keep a secret somewhere in here. But I thought it was in here. I think I've told Kirsten I'm pregnant on the phone for all of them. I think it's just like a trend. But I told Kirsten, and then I was going to tell Brie. Right? Is that how it went? Yeah. Because, so basically I wanted to tell her while I was there because I wanted to tell her in person, and I got her 2 onesies. One that says, "Did we just become best friends?" And then the other one said, "Yep." And she was like confused, and then she was like, "Andrea." But very excited about that. So I just hung out with them. Got to hang out. I did all the balloons. There's so many balloons. Me and Bruce like blew up. And then like halfway through, he's like, "I have an air compressor." And I'm like, "Bruce, come on." Then this week I found out that it was a boy. I always wanted all boys, so I was very excited about this. When I found out that Lila was a girl, I was like a little sad, I'm not gonna lie, but she's my sweet baby angel, and honestly it doesn't really matter. But I think it's just like something that happens, and like it's not anything to feel bad about. But yeah, I was 11 weeks. It was a super good week. I was getting the house together. I FaceTimed Brie and told her, and I think I told Kirsten too, obviously. But yeah, I told Kirsten this day, but yeah, I think I had like a cute idea. I think that's why. But super sparkly, super cute. This is Champagne Lights, and I love this kit. It is, I think, Bloomsicle art, but I thought that it was perfect for this because it's like pink and blue. Then this is Bennett's, his second birthday, and I love this. This was exclusive art from Jess, and it's Toy Story themed. And yeah, it was just a really great birthday. Jessica flew in for it, and then I flew out then because there was a Post Malone concert in New York that I wanted to go to. So basically, Jessica flew in this day, and then I flew out with Jessica, and then we went to see Post Malone and just hung out in the city and did things. Yeah, I was trying to think of anything else we did. But yeah, it was just a good time. And then this week we also went to the pumpkin patch. It was super hot. We took family pictures. We went with Brian and Kirsten, I think, this year. And I also did my pregnancy reveal. Then it was 13 weeks. And we also did fall pictures this day. And then this is super cute art by Kitnish Jess. And I did silver and orange foil, which is really, really pretty together. I was in the second trimester. New Adina Menzel, or I honestly don't know how to say her name, and I feel like John Travolta every time I say it. New Christmas CD, and then Nothing Wild. Then we went to Disney, and this is when I wanted to do like a picture. So basically I had this big plan to do this actual picture in front of the castle, but then I just had Jess so kindly drew it for me because when I was going to take it, we ended up not going that day because I was sick. It was a whole thing. So basically, we just went to Disney and had a little Disney trip. Then this was a TWG. I think this is is this the original color or the recolor? I think the last one I used was the recolor, and this is the original color. Or does this art sheer? I honestly don't know. There's so many kids. I can't keep them all straight. As you could tell, I don't know if you told me, Andrea, $1 million to tell me the name of this, I couldn't tell you. So basically I went to New York to see Jessica, or maybe, right? Yeah. And we went to Macy's, and then we went to see Wicked, we went to see Beetlejuice, and we went to the Wonton party. I think Kane was here. Yeah, Chill with Kane. And then this is, I think this is exclusive art. I love the colors of this. It's so pretty. 17 weeks. Last Christmas. That was a good one. I cried a lot. But yeah, just the normal Christmas pictures and such. This is Yule Ball, which I used. It's strange that is this November? I think this was November, right? Because this is December. Because I was like, wait, I wouldn't have used this the week before Christmas. But then this is Thanksgiving. So this is in November, which I don't even know why I used this in November. Was there a reason? I don't know. Maybe I just really wanted to use it. It probably came out around then. I don't know. I went to all the pretty lights. I think we drove around and looked at Christmas lights. Oh, we went home. For what? Hair, makeup, ride with ma'am. Oh, baby shower. Oh, I used it because Bree's baby shower theme was loosely Harry Potter themed. So I thought that this went really well. I was like, why did I use this kit? But now it makes sense. Then we have Thanksgiving. This was just like a pastel rainbow Thanksgiving art. And I thought it was really, really cute. But yeah, baby brain, which was me all the time. Baby kicks. Worked, did all the things, magical holiday celebration, diner drive-ins and dives, Black Friday shopping on Wednesday because that's how it is now. But then we came home, so yeah, it was just me. Yeah, I just went to this, but I just like hung out with Bree's grandma a lot too because Bree I think was working a lot. But this was a kit I wanted to use for Kirsten's birthday. So this is the Grinch, but like if the Grinch was like a planner girl. Thought this was really, really cute idea. I love the colors. I actually have this reformatted and over here, right? Or do I? Or I think I might have it actually in an album. But yeah, I set up my new clouds. That's kind of like where we're moving into FaceTime with Tiki. I think I was showing her my cloud because it came in. Round Rock Donuts, Kirsten's birthday, Cards Against Humanity. And then this was just another Christmas set. This is Darcy art. I went to Olame, which is so good. Nick's birthday. Brie and Bruce. Was I? Oh yeah, we went to. Okay, my thing stopped, so it was overheated. So I don't know where it left off, but basically I had an Olame date with Nick. I got Post Malone Crocs this day. I was 21 weeks pregnant. It was Nick's birthday on the 12th. We went to Snooze. We saw Knives Out. We found out that Bennett had croup this day. Oh, yeah. So then we went home for Nick's birthday so that Nick could have a LAN party with his friends. And we had a nightmare drive, basically surprised my in-laws. We went home. I think my in-laws were living here, my father and mother-in-law, but I think we surprised my sister-in-law by coming home. So we had like Xmas with the family, and then he had a fever, long night, and then he had like a cold, and then we were staying with Brie and Bruce, and it was super cold in their house, so we were cuddling close. And then it snowed, which was really exciting on our way home, and then we drove back to Philly. Normally, we do a closer airport and do a layover, but we wanted to try this out, and we hated it, so I don't think we'd ever do it again. And then this is just another really pretty, I think this was exclusive art, kind of like modern farmhouse kind of vibes. Christmas, but yeah, I'm trying to like scan and see if there's anything interesting. I saw Margaret Michaels, like her stuff was at Michaels, which was really exciting. I went to a holiday market, which was fun. I exchanged gifts with Amanda, painted with Bennett. And then this was Christmas week of this year. This was, I don't think exclusive art. I don't think, but it was Katniss Jess art. So I watched A Marriage Story, which was very, very emotional. And then just kind of like holiday movie marathon. Exchanged gifts with the Krasinskis on the Christmas Day. This was Christmas Eve. We watched To Grandmother's House We Go and Elf as I wrapped presents. Then I went shopping, possibly. But yeah, all the things. And then that is the end of this planner. In the back here, I just have some extra stickers and things. This is really cute. So this is supposed to be me, Mark, Cynthia, and Irene. And then a picture of me and Brie in our signature pose that we've been doing since high school. So that, my friends, is everything for this planner. I hope you like this video. And I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye!